So guys, for the first step, you want to fully close out of Steam. So in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow, then you want to find Steam, you want to right click on it, and then click on Exit Steam. Make sure that it's fully closed out. And now for the second step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. Now once we're here, you just want to scroll down, and then click on download on the first one that comes up. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds, wait for this to load. It should now start automatically downloading. If it did not start downloading, then you want to click right here, it will then start the download for you. Now you want to right click on this, and then click on show in folder. And then once we're here, you just want to double click on the zip file. Then you want to find steam_api64.dll. You want to drag this to your desktop. And now once you have this on our desktop, you want to right click on it, and then click on copy. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down, and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to double click on it, and then click on Windows. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find System32 and Sys64. Both these folders right here. You want to paste the DRL file that we copied earlier into both these folders. So we're going to start with System32, double click on this. Now we're just going to right click, and then click on paste, and then continue. And now we're going to go back to Windows, scroll down. Now we're going to be doing it for Sys64, double click on this, right click, paste, continue. You want to paste both those DRL files into those folders. And now for the next step, you just want to head over to search and type in Steam, click on it. It's now going to open up Steam again for you, and the problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, for the second method, you want to find the game that you're having a problem with, you want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This should now fix your problem.